Hey guys, Will here, welcome back to the channel. Now today's video we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Fanatec ClubSport BMW M3 GT2 steering wheel. So if you've been watching the last couple of videos that I've done over the last few days, we've got a whole bunch of Fanatec gear that we've been unboxing, with the aim of this video series being to set up a new simulator in my house, see what kind of difference it makes over the G27 setup that I've got currently in terms of lap times, as well as in terms of immersion and overall enjoyment of the systems. So without rambling on for ages, let's open up the box and see what you get for your money. Okay, so if you've watched the previous unboxing videos of the F1 wheel and the wheelbase, you would have seen that there was a little message that kind of revealed itself as you open the box. It doesn't look like we have one on this box, but it is nice to see the BMW M Performance stripes there on the box. It's a very nice touch. It looks very, very genuine and licensed, which is very cool. Very nice packaging. So we'll open it up. That one, and that one. And this is just a hollow piece of card to protect it in storage. I've got to say, the shipping packaging is really, really good with these. There's no problems. You don't have to worry about any risk of anything getting damaged shipping, really, unless it was to really get thrown. Again, we've got a quick start guide. So open up the quick start guide. So essentially it's just showing you how to put it on and take it off the wheelbase, which is always good to know, as well as the button assignments and numbers for the various different gaming modes. Flip it over, and a little bit of information about shifter calibration and tuning, stuff like that. So we won't need to go into all of that now. We'll cover that in more detail once we actually get everything plugged in and set up. So we'll chuck that back in the bag for now. Alright, so we'll lift the wheel itself out of the box, set the box aside. Take off these side bolsters as well, and open up the bag. Oh, nice. Very, very, very cool. So, oh, that feels beautiful, and really nice quality Alcantara as well. Again, if you've watched my Formula 1 unboxing video and the Formula 1 wheel unboxing video and the wheelbase video, I'm not surprised by the quality of this, because having seen the quality of the other components, it's no surprise at all. But if this had been the first thing that I'd opened, I would have been absolutely blown away by it. Nice rubberized finish here. The shifters actually feel very, very similar to the shifters on my real life BMW, so that's nice. Very similar diameter to the BMW M235i that I've got as well. And all the buttons are really, really nice. Nice tactile, clicky feel. You can really hear it click. So nice clicky feel there. And you've got your directional hat switch here, which is just up, down, left, right. And then you've got one here that moves around freely as well. So that's nice. Now, one thing I do notice about this is that there's absolutely no splash-proof protection whatsoever. All the switches are fully exposed, so you would not want to be spitting or spilling a drink on this for sure. It would definitely get damaged. But you've got the rev counter there, as well as the calibration screen as well for making various adjustments and whatnot. So let's quickly chuck it onto the wheelbase and have a look at that. Alright, so it's a little bit tricky to do with one hand. I've got to be very careful I don't damage anything, but there's a little storage pin here which we need to remove. So we push the locking ring down, and I've already knocked it across the room. Push the locking ring down and remove that little storage pin. And all we need to do is make sure that our alignment of this is correct. So you can see there's a little guide here which lines up with that. So when that's at the top, you know you're right. So we pull the locking ring forward. We're going to be very careful not to put our thumb through the screen or anything crazy like that. And it's kind of hard to do when it's not on the when it's not actually on a stand. But there we go, it's sliding on. Release the pin, and it clicks in. So to remove it, we pull the locking ring and just slide the wheel off. Now, obviously it's difficult when the wheelbase isn't mounted to anything, but very, very simple to do. You just pull the locking ring forward, and the whole thing slides off very, very, very easily. So that is what you get in the box with your ClubSport BMW M3 GT2 steering wheel. So just a real quick video there, but I will be going into a lot more detail in the future videos showing you how it all works, what all the buttons do, how to configure everything. So once we get everything set up inside the sim rig, we'll be covering all of that in a lot more detail. So if there's anything specific that you'd like to know about this wheel, let me know in the comments below, and I'll make sure we cover it in a future video for you. Of course, we do have other unboxing videos as well, where we've covered a bunch of other stuff in the Fanatec range as as well, so check those out as well. But for now, thank you very much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell button too so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching. See ya.